The remaining part of this exercise is adding the move mode, the M, so that you can change the value of the hidden value. So let's go to the editor, and again we'll need a global variable here. So my move mode is 0. We start without the move mode, so that doesn't change. But if we are in move mode, then immediately then just before the guessing we'll have to change the values. So right here before everything we change the value. If move, then we change the value to, so we take the value, right, the hidden value, and then we add to it an integer which is a random number between 0 and 2. Actually no, we want to have it -2 and +2, so we would that would mean 5 different numbers, so we can, that's 0 till 4, right? So we have 5 different numbers that can be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 if I give it this way. And then from this value, and I have to put it in parentheses, so the preference will work, and then I decrease it by 2. So now this value, this random value, can be one of the between -2 and +2, and that's it. So we added it, and then now we have a hidden value, and we have to do the toggling just like we did here. So we copy these 4 lines, and then we say this, if we are in move mode, then replace the move variable, right? So let's try to play. Now it's better to turn on the debug mode, and then let's see what's there. So I guess 100. The hidden number is on 148, and it's still 148, and it's still, because we are not in move mode. So let's turn on the move mode, and then it started to change. So I guess, and it changes. You see, now I guess, let's say 150, and it goes up 150 again, and now it decreased by 2. So as you can, it can change in both ways. I can now get 152, and well, it means that it was compared to the value that was hidden, but then meanwhile it changed. So now, because I thought that it's too small, I will guess, let's say 153, and then it's now too big because it was 152. So I go back 152. In the meantime, it's changed again to 153. So now we are toggling between each other, and it's gonna be a crazy game. It's too big, so I can go down. And as you can see, this time it didn't even change, because that random number sometimes becomes 0. So I don't know if it's a good game or not, but basically, if you read further, this is actually a one-dimensional space fight that I wrote back when I was 14. And yeah, the spaceship can randomly move +2 or -2. And actually we can add a further part of the game. So right now we have no limitation. If the random number that is always generated is always plus, then slowly the spacecraft will move out of this range of 100 and 200 or 100 or 0 and 100. So we could add another feature just to limit, to make sure that it stays within the limit.